What's good, y'all? So in this video, I'm talking about Vite and why I'm going to use it to start building my projects. Now, I'm a front-end developer, as you know, and I'm trying to continue to improve my skills, and I think that Vite is one of those ones. And I'm going to start using it because of a few reasons, and I'm going to talk about it in this video. So let's get straight into it. All right, so for those of you who do not know what Vite is a modern build tool that was specifically designed for JavaScript applications. The person who created it is Evan You, and he's the same creator of Vite.js. So this is something I highly respect, that man, and also I like the things that he's been building, and I want to be able to use Vite because I've seen other people that have used it in videos, and I was like, man, this is so fast. And even when I tested it, like, it was so fast, and I was like, yo, I have to use this, especially for single page applications. It will work perfectly. So that's why I'm using Vite, and I'm going to tell you all these 4 reasons why I'm going to use Vite for my upcoming projects. All right, so the first reason why I'm going to start using Vite is because of the fast build times, and specifically because it uses a fast file-based dependency system. And essentially what that means is that instead of changing the entire project, it does it based on the files. It just changes that file that was changed instead of the entire project, which means that it will be faster build times, which means that that thing will be changing extremely faster because it's not looking for the entire project. It's just looking for the exact file that was changed. And that is super helpful. The second reason is because of live reloading, and it has a built-in live reloading system. And essentially what that means is when you make changes, you can see it in your browser instantly, and that is extremely helpful. And that means when you're working on the project and you want to see exactly how it looks as a front-end developer, bam, it pops up instantly. And that means that you can see exactly what's going on with your work easily through the browser. So I mean, it's just, just another reason why you should start using Vite. Like, those two alone right now just making you just stop what you're doing right now and just go start using it while you listen to this video, because it's just so good. The third reason why you should be using Vite is because I'm going to continue to make more videos about Vite, so you might as well subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, because I'm a front-end developer and I like talking about topics, especially like modern build tools like Vite. So subscribe. But in all seriousness, the third reason why you should be using Vite is because of the easy configuration that it has. So essentially it makes it easy for you to set up and customize your build process. That is another reason that can make it extremely helpful with regards to you building out projects. Like, the customization and the process is way easier for you to be able to start, just make a boilerplate quickly, and you can just already get it going each and every time to build projects without having to set up everything. Very customizable, and you can continue to use it if you create a boilerplate, and it could just be seamless. So that's the third reason. And lastly, the reason why I'm using Vite is because of the JavaScript support. So it supports the JavaScript features as well as TypeScript, as well as CSS. It just supports like JSX with React. So it is very, very supportive for a front-end developer, which makes your life so much easier as a developer. If you're using other programming languages, you can be able to, or technologies, it's essentially a really good tool as a front-end developer to use, to build, so that you can create effective, fast websites and applications. So yeah, so that's essentially it. That's my 4 reasons why I'm going to use Vite. So like I said before, be sure to subscribe and like this video and comment about it if you're going to start using Vite or you're going to look into it, and just be on the lookout, because I'm going to make sure in 2023 that I'm going to have a lot more videos, try to push myself to make sure that I'm providing good quality content and showing you all, like, I'm a real developer. Like, I'm really in these trenches. I'm really putting in the work to be the best developer I could be. So you all are going to see that progress. Espero que tengas un buen día. Ciao.